Excited tayong sumigaw sa victory, pero ayaw natin ng battle. Excited tayong tawaging conqueror, pero ayaw natin ng conflict. What if I tell you that your salary is not really your biggest problem? Because until you realize na ang karamihang problem natin ay internal, root system, habits and behavior, na ang ating problem ay hindi harvest, kundi foundation and root problem, you will never reach your full potential. Kasi di ba lagi natin pangarap, harvest, 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 harvest. Pag binigay yung harvest, hindi mo mapagkamalang harvest, kasi minsan yung harvest, work. Na-promote ka. Kino-complain mo ngayon. Kasi akala mo yung promotion, makakapag-relax ka na. Na kapag may promotion, nandun ka na sa beach, nakahiga ka, tapos meron kang pineapple juice. Yung pineapple juice na may sariling payong. Alam niyo yun? You are complaining about that promotion because you thought that that promotion means less work. What if I tell you that harvest means work? Let me repeat. Harvest means work. Tingnan nyo sa field, di ba? Pagka nagtanim sila, may trabaho? Yes. Pag nagdig ba, may trabaho? Yes. Pero ano mas matrabaho? Yung pagtatanim o pag-harvest? Kasi pag nag-harvest na, yung mais, hindi naman yan basta mapupunta sa sako. Ikaw pa rin ang kukuha ng harvest na yon. And marami sa atin na sa harvest na, nabulok na yung harvest, Lord, sabi mo promotion, ba't nagtatrabaho pa rin ako? Lord, di mo naman sinabi na kapag dumami branch, mas marami pa rin pala trabaho eh. Kasi ang perception natin ng harvest, mag-rest ka na lang, mag-relax ka na lang. Yung harvest, posibleng nasa yun na. Posibleng nararanasan mo na. Posible lang din na nabubulok kasi tinatamad kang trabahuin. Yung harvesting, pareho po yung hindi madali. Pero you have to keep on sowing and keep on digging and keep on planting kahit mahirap. And wait until it's harvest time. Sabi nga na scripture, yung seed na napunta sa good soil, sabi, it will produce a crop 100, 60, or 30 times more than what was planted. We have a concept na kapag ang church ay pinagpala, wala na itong problema kasi harvest time. So when we declare it's harvest time, it doesn't mean relaxation. Because when it's time for harvest, it's time for work. The same thing as when we plant, the same thing as when we sow, that it will require all of us to make an effort. So patuloy tayo mga kapatid na magtulungan para ang kingdom ng Lord ay mai-advance. So that more and more people will come to know Jesus Christ. Lord, take us. Bring us to where you want us to go. Bring us to places that we've never been so that your gospel will